achieve success. Believe in yourself, nothing lasts forever. Ugo Ina 95 TV set be strong. You are, you cannot be another. Just try your best in all things. Give thanks to God and believe in Him, for everything will be fine. When you are happy for people, success automatically visit you. Always be ready to grab your opportunity. You have no duplicate, you are you and you are the best. If life were to be buy money, you cannot buy it. So always be grateful for the little achievements in life.